It's that smell. Have you ever wondered why your car is so smelly? I have a solution for you. Cabin filter. Cabin filter is very important because it does exactly what it says. Filters the air coming into your cabin. Okay, so today we're going to replace it on 2008 LR3. Okay, let's do it. When you open your passenger door, you have these two glove boxes, upper and lower. The pollen filter is located behind the lower glove box. So what you want to do is to open it and remove anything that you have in it, because we're going to be lowering it into a service position and everything might fall out. On each side, on outside of the glove box, you have these locking stops. One is on the left and one is on the right. So once you know where your tabs are, you put your thumbnails on the top of it and press it down on both sides, and that's gonna lower your glove box. The filter cover is located above the blower motor. So what you need to do is press the tab on the right side and pull it towards you, slide it away and pull it out. Once you have that open, this is the cabin filter. So what you need to do is push it kind of down and pull it out. Also notice the direction of the arrows, as this is important for the flow. Pull it out and discard the old filter. Insert the new filter in the correct position. Slide it in. You're gonna need to press on it a little bit to get it all the way up into this position. Once the filter is in correct position, slide it into the tabs on the left side. Then press it on the right side so you hear a click. And voila, that's it. Grab the glove box, lift it up until you hear a click. You can see the difference between the old one and the new one, and the old one looks like it's been there forever. So, this concludes the installation of the cabin air filter on a 2008 LR3. Thank you for watching. See you next time.